In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Calendly link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your booking link in Calendly and how to copy it so you can share it with anyone in just a couple of clicks. Start by opening your browser and heading to Calendly. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. You'll land on your scheduling or event types page, where your meeting options are listed, things like a 15-minute intro call or a 30-minute meeting. This page is your hub for anything you want people to book with you. Take a quick glance to confirm you're looking at the correct event you want to share. Each event represents a unique booking flow with its own availability and settings, and sharing the right one keeps your recipients on the exact path you intend. Now, look for the option to copy your link. Next to the event you want to offer, you'll see a copy link control. Click it. Calendly immediately places a direct link to that specific event on your clipboard, ready to paste. That link sends people straight to the scheduling page for that event type, so they can pick a time without any extra steps. If you prefer to let people choose from multiple events, you may also see a main copy link for your overall booking page. Use that one when you want invitees to browse and select from your available meeting types rather than sending them to a single option. With the link copied, you're ready to share it anywhere you communicate: email, chat, a document, your social bio, or a button on your website. A helpful check is to paste the link into a new browser tab to preview what invitees will see. This quickly confirms you copied the right event. When you send the link, consider adding a short note like, "Pick any time that works for you." Clear context reduces back and forth and makes scheduling effortless for both sides. Here's what your recipients will experience. They click your Calendly link and land on a clean page that automatically adjusts to their time zone. They choose a date, select a time, and confirm. Calendly handles the rest, including confirmation details and calendar invites if you've enabled those features. That's it. Go to your Calendly scheduling page and click Copy Link. It's simple, quick, and reliably points people to the exact meeting you want them to book. If you update your meeting types later, just repeat the same copy action to keep your shared link aligned with what you're offering next.